So the last one pager we want to talk about is how to access the class materials file folder in Teams. So we talked in the previous video about a class notebook, and that's one way to share files and information is through the class notebook. The other way is through the files tab and in a class materials folder. So if you log into your Teams account and click on the Teams icon for the team that you want to view, so we'll go in here, I'm logged in as Ali again, and go to this health and go to general. You'll see up at the top a files tab. You just click on that. And what will be there if your teacher is using this method, it's not here because it's not being used, but there will be a class materials folder in here. And you can just click on that class materials folder under the name and it will take you to all the information. One of the things to notice or know about the class materials folder is the information that's in there is read only. You can't edit it. So you can download a copy of it, and you can look at them, but you can't actually edit them. So if you wanted to do some editing to something, if you wanted to add your own notes to it or whatever else, you can download a copy on your own, and then once you have that copy of your file, you can use that copy to edit and do things, okay? So there's either the class materials files folder that's there in the files tab, or there's the class notebook with all the notes and things in there. That's kind of the two ways that your teacher is going to be sharing that information with you. So it's important for you to look at one of those two, probably not both. So it's really important, and there's a note here, you want to check with your teacher to make sure you know which way they're going to share those documents, and then you make sure that you check whatever method they're using. Because if they're using the class notebook and you look for the class materials folder, you're going to be sorely disappointed, and vice versa. If you're looking for class notebook when they're using class materials, then you're going to be in trouble. So just make sure you communicate with your teacher, ask them which way they're going to use to share files, and then you'll know, and then you can just follow that with your class. But we show you both here just because there might be some variety in how your teacher chooses to share those files. So hopefully that's been helpful to you. Those are all the different things that you can do with Teams.